Alright guys, I got a dumpling squishy too. This is what I get. 3, 2, 1. Holy moly, bro. I got squishies. And also, I got 2 of them in a box. I got these mini ones. There's yellow glitter, clear glitter, and the purple glitter. Oh my god, they're so cute. They're squishable. If you buy these, it won't be that much squish. It won't squish that much. For me, it's so cute and squishy. I also got the pink one. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I got one for my baby sister too. She got the same one. Dang, really lucky. Hey, what does the smile look like this? Is this markers?
Try. Thank you.
Holy moly. This is my favorite so far.
Peace.
Bye.